Today let's learn letter I. I is for igloo and I makes the sound E. Let's see how to trace letter I. I is for igloo and I makes the sound E. We'll see few pictures starts with E sound. Iguana, injection, infant, insects, ink. Letter I makes the sound E. Let's do a matching activity with E sound. Igloo, impala, ink, insect, iguana, injection. Let's listen a story of Little Ina by Sticky Stories. In a beautiful cold place where the snow fell all year long lived a little girl named Ina. She lived in an igloo made of ice. In her igloo she had many musical instruments which she liked to play. Ina had a pet iguana too, and the iguana liked to eat insects using his long tongue. Sometimes he missed catching one. Ina's school too was an igloo where she went every day to study. One day, as she was trying to fill blue ink in her ink pen, the ink pot fell and spilled all the ink over the ice below. Now her school igloo was a beautiful blue color due to the spilled ink. I is for inside. Let's see what is there inside this box. This is a ball. When we place this ball here, we say the ball is inside the box. When we place this ball here, we say the ball is outside the box. I is for injection. Let's do a puzzle. We have few picture cards here. You need to arrange it. When you arrange it, we will get a picture of our injection. I is for India. Can you find the location of India in this map? Yes, this is India. Capital of India is New Delhi. I is for insects. Let's see few insects around us. Housefly, ant, spider, lizard, butterfly, grasshopper, mosquito, ladybug, honeybee and snail. I is for iguana. We have few cutouts here. You need to arrange these pieces to get this picture of iguana. Are you ready? Well done, Nathan. I is for inn. Inn is a house providing food and accommodation for travelers. This is an inn. Few pictures starts with E sound are hidden here. Can you identify it?
Igloo, ink pen, ink pot, insects, iguana,
Inchworm.
inchworm.
We have few pictures here. You need to say each picture name and identify the first sound. If the word is starting with E sound, you need to write it below each picture. Okay, Nathan?
Okay.
What is this?
Elephant.
What is the first sound when we say elephant?
E.
Okay. This one?
Igloo. E. Instruments. E. How? H. Inchworm. E. Ink. E.
Let's do letter search. You need to search letter I in this picture and circle it. I is for igloo. Let's learn how we can make an igloo with these cotton balls. Let us learn how to write letter I in cursive script. Before that, I'll put number in these lines. This is capital letter I in cursive script. Now let's see how to write small letter I in cursive script. I is for ink. Let's do ink blot art. I is for inch. Inch is the unit of length. We measure the length of this sharpener.
Yes.
This sharpener is 1 inch. Now let's find out the length of this battery. Can you say how much inch it is?
2.
2 inches. Let's find the length of this pen.
5.
5 inches. Hope it was interesting learning about letter I and its phonetic sound. See you soon.